Welcome for NSO Class 3 Level 2. Some of the important questions that you must cover before your examination. So the very first topic that we would discuss is human body and health. Various organs, the basic names for each of the organs. Now what is important is to understand the sense organs, the muscle, the bones, how the sense organs work, the purpose of each sense organ, touch is related to, taste is related to, and so on and so forth. Now the comprehensive coverage on the organs is again important. Cover it a level higher, of course up to a level of class 4. Then coming on to the plants. Now under plants, what is important is the functions of the root, the functions of the shoot, the leaves. So water absorbing versus holding of the water, the difference and the basic characteristics. Among the plants, the basic stages of life cycle. Among the animals, the basic stages of life cycle, specifically for butterfly and frogs, those are the two most important ones commonly asked. Then adaptations is again a very important topic. Under adaptation, you refer to the thick fur for the animals residing in the cold areas, why cactus has the leaves modified into thorns, the concept of food chain, food web, very important. And then from the section on physics, light, sound, force, extremely important. So what is force and friction, force, pull force become important, the effect of friction. Then noises, so loud noise, soft noise. Talking about earth and environment, we focus on the water cycle, evaporation, condensation, precipitation. Then the basics of universe, the solar system, and the soil, the types of soil, sandy soil, clay soil, and the conservation for those. So those are some of the important topics that we have discussed for class 3. Of course, for more preparation material, refer the link below. Thanks for joining.